Modern factory automation and robotics require precise motion feedback to maximize productivity. But traditional encoders can struggle in harsh industrial environments or take too much time to install and align. SameSky's AMT encoders offer a rugged, highly accurate, and flexible solution based on innovative capacitive sensing technology. Here are the top 5 reasons to choose SameSky's AMT encoders for your next factory automation design. Rugged capacitive technology. Traditional optical encoders are highly susceptible to dust, dirt, and oil, which can quickly degrade performance in a factory setting. SameSky's AMT encoders use a proprietary capacitive sensing technology that is highly resilient to these environmental contaminants. This rugged design ensures reliable, long-term operation in harsh industrial environments, reducing maintenance and downtime for your automated systems. Fast and simple assembly. Mounting and aligning an encoder can be a time-consuming bottleneck during production. The AMT series features a modular design with locking hubs that snap easily onto the motor shaft. Supporting shaft sizes from 1 mm up to 5/8 inch, these encoders simplify the assembly process, reducing mounting and alignment time to seconds without the need for complex tools. Flexible programmability. With multiple motor types and system requirements, stocking different encoders for every application is costly. AMT encoders can be easily programmed using the SameSky's AMT Viewpoint software. You can configure a range of different resolutions up to 5,120 pulses per revolution, or adjust zero position on the fly. This flexibility lets you use a single encoder SKU across multiple designs, reducing inventory costs. High accuracy and performance. In robotics and automation, precision is critical for efficiency and safety. The capacitive platform delivers high accuracy with options for incremental, absolute, and commutation outputs. Absolute models support 12 or 14-bit absolute position information and high-speed communication interfaces such as SPI, SSI, and RS-485, enabling low-latency, precise motion feedback required for advanced motor control. Compact and efficient design. Space and power are often at a premium in modern industrial equipment. SameSky's AMT encoders are built into a compact, low-profile modular package that fits easily into tight robotic joints or constrained motor housings. Additionally, capacitive technology draws less current than typical optical encoders, improving overall power efficiency. To learn more, visit mouser.com/same-sky. Thanks for watching.